Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A man who was released from jail just 4 months ago is back behind bars after police say he shot and killed a Muncie convenience store clerk last night. Newslink Indiana's Derek Tucker shows you what one loyal customer is doing to remember a fallen friend.
I just seen the paper and I was, oh my goodness, no, that couldn't be.
You can't buy Friday's newspaper, and customers can't pump gas at the Rickers convenience store on Memorial Street in Muncie.
It's closed.
The store's closed after a clerk was shot and killed during a robbery Thursday night.
I'm gonna miss her very much.
Teresa Patterson was a regular customer. She remembers the clerk, 59-year-old Carolyn Goodwin.
You come into the store, she greeted you with a smile. She talked to you. I mean, she really reached out to you. She done everything she could to help.
The murder here at Rickers is Muncie's third in only 11 days, the 8th for the year. And Sergeant Williams with the Muncie Police Department, who's been on the force for 15 years, says this is the most brutal murder he's ever seen.
I mean, it's just ridiculous. Didn't do anything to deserve anything like this. And this guy's he's an evil human being.
The guy, Ronald A. Hatfield, arrested just a short time later near the store.
A guy like him should never be walking the streets.
And because of him, Goodwin will be remembered.
I wanted to leave something in her memory. You know, she's gone, but she's going to be never forgotten.
In Muncie, Derek Tucker, Newslink, Indiana.
Sergeant Williams says in years past, Muncie's had 8 to 10 homicides, but nothing like the recent string of almost back-to-back homicides. A Chesterfield volunteer firefighter and his dog are dead after an early morning fire near downtown Anderson. According to police, 43-year-old Jerry Hines died after a wood-burning stove that apparently wasn't installed correctly sparked the blaze. A delivery man called 911, and when firefighters arrived, the back of the building was on fire and thick black smoke filled the building. An autopsy will be done to determine the exact cause of death. Well, now here's Brian Smith with a look at our forecast. Brian?
Good evening. Calm conditions tonight with the low dropping down to 29 degrees. And for the day tomorrow, rain changing to snow showers. Temperatures starting off in the 30s Saturday and plummeting all the way down to 3 degrees by Monday morning. Chris?
Thanks, Brian. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.